Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is Van Amsen, and in today's video we will be solving yet another interesting problem, single number from LeetCode. This is an easy problem, but it requires a clever use of bit manipulation to meet the space and time complexity requirements. So the problem is simple enough. We are given non-empty array of integers where every element appears twice except for 1. So our task is to find that single number. But here is the challenge. We need to solve it in linear time, and we can only use constant extra space. So, for example, given array of 2, 2, 1, the output should be 1 because 1 appear only once. So similarly for the array 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, the output should be 4. So now one might think of using a hash map or a dictionary to count the occurrence of each number and then return the number with the count of 1. However, that would not meet the problem space requirement, as it would take a linear space as well. So we need to think out of the box here. This property of XOR operation that comes to our rescue. So when a number is XORed with itself, the result is 0. So also any number XORed with 0 remains the same. So let's implement it in Python. So first initialize result to 0. So result 0. And iterate over all elements in the list. So for num in nums, apply XOR operation. So we will apply XOR. So result XOR num. And the final result will be the number that appears once. So we return result. So as simple as this, let's run it to check if everything's work well. So yeah, it's working. So let's submit for unseen test cases and hopefully it will pass. Yep. So we have successfully solved the task, and as you can see, we beat 59% with respect to runtime and also 72 with respect to memory. So the Python code, we initialize result to 0, then loop through the array. For each number, we use XOR operation to update result. By the end of the loop, result will contain the single number. This code solve the problem in linear time and uses constant extra space. So that's how we use a bit of bitwise operation to solve this task. So it's working properly, and that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more coding problem solution and challenges. And if you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comment below, and happy coding. See you next time.